So, yep, there's some green grass there, but so basically over there somewhere is the River Amber, but you can't actually see it anymore. This is the field just across the road from our house. I mean, as you can see, it's, well, it's terrible really. To see, just I don't really know what to say. It's just absolutely crazy. Like I said on the earlier video, I've not seen this in decades. And if you look at the flow of the water as well, what you can see is the problem is that water is still rising, and the wind's starting to get up and it's flowing. And it's tried to rain earlier, but look at those clouds, and it is now starting to rain again. It's just absolutely, it really is awful. Again, just hope everybody's staying safe, keeping warm. Managed to get this far to walk the dog, but the bridge just over there in the distance, as I say, that's where we'd usually walk the dog across. Can't even get there now. Not sure how deep the water is there at this point. I'm not even going to find out, but the level of the river usually lies at about 3, maybe 4 foot below the bank. So it's come up 3-4 foot, and it's up higher than that, so probably 5, maybe 6 foot of water. It comes buddy to have a look. Look, you see the wreck's at least dry. Well, I say dry, but there you go, and that's flowing right now towards the Amber. It'll continue and that'll go to the Derwent, but as I say, the wind is really getting bad now, well, it is actually now starting to come down with rain, which is exactly what we don't need. So God bless you all, stay safe, look after each other, and the most important thing is stay safe. Do not go out and get yourself into dangerous situations. There's already been loss of lives today, and it's truly awful.